Saizhen, welcome to our factory. Do you have any questions about our company?
I heard your company started with pipes. Today I would like to learn more about them.
Oh, that's great. Let me walk you through the history of pipes.
So the first one was the ceramic water pipe.
Water pipes.
Okay.
Bamboo pipes.
Bamboo pipes.
Yeah, and then the cement pipeline.
This is how they change over the decade.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And finally is our plastic pipe.
Okay, this is what you're continuing to do. What types of materials do you offer?
We produce pipes in PVC, CPVC, PPH, and PPR. Each pipes with unique properties in different applications.
What's the typical length for a pipe and how do wall thickness and standards vary?
We can customize the size and the length and the thickness we can according to customers' requirements. Bye-bye, Saizhen. See you next time. And if anyone have any questions, please contact us. We also welcome all of you to visit our factory.